Hello again, everyone. This is going to show you a little better how to submit a video on Canvas. This is what your screen looks like when you log in, your dashboard. Let's say you're in beginning brass. You'll click on the class. Then the first place you're going to go to is always going to be modules. I'm just clicking on student view over there so that this looks like what it looks like for you. If you're on the home screen, it kind of looks maybe like a lot of stuff, but this is just one assignment per each class period. So if you go to modules, you'll see that broken down. So yesterday you should have submitted these two things, the warm-up. You'll notice there were 0 points for that. That was just a list of what you should do before you start playing. But you should have submitted these two that have a point value on them. So let's look at what we're planning for Tuesday, the 24th, next week. You'll see your assignment is I can play measures 1 through 17 of 25 or 6 to 4. If you click on that, this is what your screen looks like. It tells you the instructions. Submit a video on Canvas of playing along with the recording of 25 or 6 to 4 found here. So you can click on that, then it'll pull up the recording. It's going to work best if you turn that on and you play along with it while you record. That way I can hear if you're lining up with the music. Once you've recorded, you can tap Submit Assignment. That's going to pull up this window right here. From there, you're going to hit Choose File. Now, in my last video, I told you if you're on an iPad or some other device, that will give you an option to just record right there if you haven't already recorded something. But in this case, let's say I'm on a Chromebook, this is what's going to happen. It'll pull up this window where you need to select a file that you've already recorded. So I recorded a video. I'm going to open that, and you'll see that it's loaded right there. Once you've done that, you're then going to click Submit Assignment. And once it has submitted, you'll see a checkbox up in the top that says the assignment was submitted. It'll also have a timestamp saying when it was submitted. There you go. Submitted March 20th, 7:28 p.m. And you have the details, and you can download what you submitted. Notice that it's an MP4 or an .mov, or a lot of files from Chromebooks have been .mkv or something like that. But it needs to be a video format. I want to be able to see what you're doing. If you can only get audio to work, that's okay, but I prefer to have a video. Anyway, that's all that I wanted to show you. Sounded like a lot of you couldn't quite get that figured out. But if you have any questions, please email me. Make sure you're not just idly sitting, not doing anything with the band classes. I need to know that you're being involved with the band classes so we know that you're getting things taken care of online. Thanks again for taking a look at this, and hopefully we'll be able to see your videos coming in soon. Look forward to hearing them.